October 2025, Apple quietly acquired Kuzu, a small 10-person startup based in Waterloo, Ontario. The news surfaced through an EU Digital Markets Act filing and the tech world buzzed with speculation. While many wondered if Apple would simply add a new database to iWork, the real story was much deeper. Kuzu's codebase, spanning 163,000 lines of C++20, held the key to a strategic shift in Apple's on-device AI ambition. This wasn't just another acquisition, it was a move to solve a fundamental challenge in making devices smarter, more private, and contextually aware. Let's dive into what makes Kuzu so special. Kuzu is an embedded graph database designed to run directly on your device, much like SQLite. There's no server process, no cloud dependency, just pure in-process performance. It uses the Cipher query language and supports a rich property graph model with 28 logical types, including nodes, relationships, and even nested structures like lists and maps. This architecture is textbook database design, but with a twist. Kuzu is built for the complex, interconnected data that powers modern AI and personal knowledge graphs. Really sets Kuzu apart are three architectural decisions: factorized execution, worst-case optimal joins, and a number-style storage engine. These aren't just incremental improvements, they're fundamental shifts that address the exact problems Apple faces with on-device AI. By focusing on these areas, Kuzu enables efficient reasoning about relationships across your digital life, all while keeping your data private and on your device. Graph queries often suffer from a combinatorial explosion of intermediate results, especially with multi-hop traversals. For example, if one person knows 100 people and each likes 50 things, a naive approach would generate thousands of redundant rows. Kuzu's factorized execution solves this by storing only unique values in a compressed, nested format. This means queries that would take minutes elsewhere can run in milliseconds, making real-time recommendations and knowledge graph reasoning practical on your device. Most graph databases break down complex joins into simple binary steps. This works for straightforward paths but fails with cyclic patterns like triangles, which are common in real-world data. Kuzu implements worst-case optimal joins using an intersect operator that efficiently finds only the results where all relationships match. This approach is provably optimal and handles dense, interconnected data far better than traditional methods. Kuzu's storage engine is inspired by Umbra and is tailored for Apple's needs. It uses a lock-free buffer manager, allowing read-heavy workloads to access data with minimal contention. Pages are managed in virtual memory, and a clever versioning system ensures consistency without locking. This design is perfect for devices that constantly query data but only occasionally write new information like your phone or tablet. Every byte matters on mobile devices, and Kuzu's columnar storage is designed with this in mind. Data is organized into node groups, each containing compressed chunks tailored to the data type. For example, health sensor data, which often has limited precision, can be compressed almost perfectly. This means more data fits on your device without sacrificing speed or accuracy, crucial for personal knowledge graphs and AI. Kuzu stores relationships using a compressed sparse row format, enabling constant-time access to neighbors. This means queries like "Find everyone Alice messaged last week" are lightning fast, scaling with the number of messages, not the size of the entire graph. The system is designed to handle dense, evolving data without needing to restructure everything for each new connection. Imagine a graph that connects your contacts, apps, locations, calendar events, emails, messages, files, photos, and songs all as nodes with typed relationships. Kuzu's property graph model makes this possible, allowing Apple to build a schema-first, strongly typed knowledge graph for every user. This is the foundation for truly personalized, context-aware AI on your device. With Kuzu, Apple can use Cipher queries to power advanced features. For example, finding the restaurant Bob mentioned in a group chat after a hike becomes a multi-hop query across messages, contacts, and locations. The engine supports full-text search, vector similarity, and graph traversal all in one embedded system. This replaces the need for multiple separate systems and makes complex queries seamless and fast. Kuzu enables modeling photos as scene graphs, where people, locations, and events are all interconnected. For example, Alice appears in a photo taken in Paris during a summer trip. The built-in algorithms like PageRank and community detection can find clusters of related photos, people, and places, powering features like memories and smart photo organization. Kuzu's architecture is ideal for modeling health data as a temporal knowledge graph. Sleep, exercise, heart rate, and medication can be linked in relationship chains, allowing for efficient sequential analysis. The storage and compression techniques ensure that even large volumes of sensor data remain manageable and fast to query, supporting advanced health insights on device. Kuzu integrates with PyTorch Geometric, allowing recommendation models to train directly against the graph. This means content recommendations like suggesting new music or articles can leverage the full power of graph traversal and factorized execution. The result is smarter, more relevant suggestions that adapt to your unique digital life, all without exporting data to the cloud. Kuzu's extension system hooks into every stage of the pipeline, from parsing to storage. This allows Apple to add proprietary indexes and functions without forking the codebase. The C API provides a clean path for integration with Swift, making it easy to build new features and frameworks on top of Kuzu's foundation. Like Google or Meta, whose knowledge graphs live in the cloud, Apple's approach keeps your data on your device. This isn't just about avoiding privacy issues, it's a structural advantage. The more you use your device, the richer and more personalized your knowledge graph becomes, all without sharing your data with anyone else. This privacy moat is something competitors can't easily replicate. Personalized knowledge graph built from years of device usage is unique to each user. Unlike AI model weights which can be copied or matched by competitors, your personal graph is non-replicable. This gives Apple a long-term edge in delivering truly individualized experiences, making your device smarter the more you use it. Some might dismiss the acquisition as a typical Apple acqui-hire, but there are signs of deeper intent. Apple has a pattern of integrating small, high-impact technologies into its core products within 12–18 months. The regulatory filing itself signals that this was a significant strategic move, one that could shape the future of Apple's AI and data infrastructure. Graph databases are still considered niche today, but so were embedded analytics databases before SQLite became ubiquitous. Kuzu's zero-config, embedded deployment model is what could make graph technology mainstream, powering everything from AI assistance to personal data analytics, all seamlessly integrated into your device. If you're building on-device machine learning or analytics, keep an eye on how Apple exposes graph capabilities. Will they integrate Kuzu with Swift data or launch a new persistence framework? Watch for new contextual intelligence features in Siri at future WWDC events, and see if Kuzu's open-source codebase inspires other projects. The impact of this acquisition may be subtle at first, but it could redefine how devices understand and serve their user. Most transformative technologies often become invisible, so seamlessly integrated that you stop noticing them. Just as SQLite became the silent backbone of mobile apps, Kuzu could become the unseen engine powering Apple's next generation of contextual, on-device AI. The real question isn't if Apple will use it, but how soon it will become an essential part of your digital life. Apple's acquisition of Kuzu is about more than just adding a new database. It's a strategic move to build a smarter, more private, and contextually aware digital ecosystem. With innovations in execution, storage, and privacy, Kuzu is poised to become the foundation for the next wave of on-device AI. As Apple quietly embeds this technology, your device will become more helpful, more personal, and more secure, often without you even realizing it.